Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to germinate melon seeds quickly and easily. All you need is a napkin, some melon seeds, plenty of water, and a dark place. In just 3 or 4 days, they'll start sprouting. The first clip you'll see is from seeds that had just started germinating. They hadn't broken the surface yet, but only 3 days later, they had already developed long roots. It's amazing how fast it happens. Within a week, they're ready to transplant. These are cantaloupe melon seeds, and as you can see, after 3 days in a moist paper towel, they've exploded with root growth. I don't know if it's the melon variety or just the method, but it works great. Now let's transplant them. We'll place each sprouted seed into a small container with soil. Here I'm using a recycled yogurt cup. We'll use soil from the garden and enrich it a bit with compost to give the seedlings a strong start. We just make a small hole, place the root down gently, and cover it lightly with soil. It's that simple. We'll plant a few of these and let the strongest ones grow. If you want to see how these melons develop, feel free to subscribe and follow along. Let's get them all planted.